Hello. In this video, we're going to go over the timing so that students are aware of the type of timing and pacing that is needed for the ISEE. So this is a good time for students to pay attention and think about how this goes. Hello. Uh, Hello. In this video, we're going to go over the timing of the exam. So this is a good place for the students to take note and take in the information of how timing works for the exam and how that's going to dictate how you should prepare and the mindset needed for this exam. I blew up the same information here on this larger screen, and what you'll notice is that what's unique to the ISEE compared to a lot of other standardized exams are, even though it's a long test like most exams are that are standardized, it's amazing to see that it also has very little time per question compared to a lot of exams. So this is for the middle and upper level, all the timings are the same. And one thing to really notice is that it's 30 seconds per problem on the verbal reasoning, and then the rest of it is about a little less than a minute per problem. That is not a lot of time. So what that really means is that you want to know when to hold them and when to fold them, right? Like you want to know when you have a problem in front of you, like I can answer this, let me put this down. Or do you have a situation where like, you know what, let me circle this right now, not waste any more time, and I'll try it again later on my second run through the exam. This is also a place where you want to recognize that it's not a good place to be stubborn, not only because of the timing, but let's say that you're going into 10th grade, you're applying to go to a 10th grade level in a private school. You're going to be taking the same exam with the same set of questions that a kid getting into 11th grade or applying for 11th grade is taking. And you're going to get the same set of questions. So on your exam, incoming 10th grader, you're going to get questions that really don't apply to you. And you don't want to waste time trying to figure out questions you haven't seen before that you're not necessarily comfortable with, because you're not competing necessarily on those questions because your peers are typically going to be in the same boat in regards to what they know. So just focus on what you know and try to get through quickly. And it's another reason why you want to practice in test conditions as often as possible so you can get used to the pacing and to the mindset of, I know this, let me get it down, or this is a question that I need to skip.